There are occasions when a rescue harness may be utilised to lift a horse from a recumbent position. This includes a situation where the chosen technique is a combination lift and skid using mechanical advantage. Control measures to protect the eyes and face should be applied. During instances of lifting, the casualty handler should utilise a longer lead rope or lunge line attached to the head collar. This allows for control of the head at a greater distance during the lift. A strop guide of choice is inserted from the spine side. In open spaces, the use of the standard strop guide is a preferred method to enable equipment to be laid out and threaded under the animal with minimal impact on the casualty. The wide strops will be positioned to sit on the sternum and behind the rib cage. Be careful to protect the casualty by not allowing the strop to pinch or squash delicate anatomical features such as the udder or genitalia. As the rescue strops are shorter than those used for casualty relocation techniques, heavy limb crooks are used to ensure safe working zones are observed. The front anti-spill strap is essential for vertical lift of large animals. This prevents the front strop from sliding down the torso if unwanted movement occurs. Attach the anti-spill strap to the main harness using the most suitable D-ring for the size of the casualty. It is important to discuss which side the quick release will be presented. Usually this will be on the same side as the spreader bar release mechanism. Operational circumstances will dictate, however it should allow safe deployment, usually by the casualty handler, without having to stand under any lifting device. In some circumstances, a longer release line may be indicated in order to be deployed from a distance. For bovines, it is essential to have an additional hindquarters anti-spill strap. This is because the cattle have shorter rib cages and therefore upon lifting, weight distribution is biased towards the rear and the danger is an animal slipping out backwards. Best practice is to apply front and rear anti-spill straps to all animals being lifted. During a combination lift and skid where the animal will not leave the ground, a risk assessment will determine whether anti-spill straps are required.